Today we're setting out on the U of L campus to interview people and ask them what's their favorite video game and why. Let's check it out.
I have to say that my favorite video game of all time is Fallout 3 by Bethesda because it continued from the amazing plot lines of Fallout 1 and Fallout 2, but put you in a completely different world on the East Coast in DC. And I loved it so much because it had so much actual content to it for the actual storyline, but so much other content to it, as much as like mini games and everything else. I logged at least 160 hours worth of gameplay into it.
I have to say my favorite video game would be Final Fantasy, like the Final Fantasy series. I mean, I've always thought it was pretty dope because I mean they had great plots. It was great music. I think like the artists or animators did a fantastic job with having music that really made you feel what was going on in the game. The plots were tight, you know, kind of had you on edge the entire time, and also it connects you to the characters. Like you had a personal interest with the characters.
I'd have to say my favorite video game of all time would be the Elder Scrolls Skyrim, just because it has a lot of content in it and you can never get tired of playing it. You can play it for hours and hours and hours and take breaks in a couple weeks and come back and love it just as much. The graphics are always phenomenal with any of the Elder Scrolls games. They make it so lifelike, even in a fantasy world.
My favorite video game is Borderlands 2, and I like it because it's really easy and you don't die when you fall, which is really nice. And it's just really easy to control, which is nice for me because I'm not very good at it.
I would say my favorite video game would probably be BioShock Infinite. I really like the gameplay it has. I think it's fun. You can go into any situation differently. And I just think it has an amazing story and amazing characters, and I really like it. It's one of the best games that come out this year.
Alright, so yeah, my favorite game of all time is like Miss Pac-Man. Like, there's so many dots you could like get, and like there's a big dot, and when you get the big dot, you can eat the ghosts, because the ghosts are like chasing you like everywhere. I don't know if you've like ever heard of the game, but like, yeah, dude, that game is where it's at, man. You get so many points and eat fruit.
My favorite video game I'd probably have to say would be FIFA. I play FIFA to get in the zone before I get into a soccer game. It's so realistic, the actions of the players, the way they move, the way they operate. I just love it, and the graphics are great too. You know, that's just how it is. I love FIFA.
The general consensus of our interviews today was that people actually cared a lot more about the content of the video games than they did the graphics or the video. Thank you for tuning in.